This is what we woke up to. Actually, it was getting like this last night. Primrose is out there somewhere. Hopefully under something. And Dre! Oh my goodness, that was a big one. We just lost power for just a few seconds after a big old kaboom. Oh, it's terrible. Terrible, terrible, terrible. They didn't even eat all their food last night. My boxes hung on. Stayed up. Woo! Golly! Some wild lightning and thunder. Whoop! There went Yellow Baby. Let's see. Kitty, kitty! I'm gonna have to let Yellow Baby in. Oh! Golly! That lightning. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Yeah. Not in the house. Oh my goodness. Where is Primrose? Yellow Baby, what are you doing? Over there climbing on Bubba's toys. Yellow Baby don't usually come in, but seeing how it's that bad of a storm, and he's trying to find shelter under a wooden and metal chair that has slats. Thought I'd let him in. Oh, it's just yucky out. Ugh. So here's the radar. We are somewhere by Fort Smith. We are 40 miles, 40 miles from Fort Smith to the west, obviously, because this is the Arkansas-Oklahoma state line. Let's see if I can't scroll in and maybe it'll bring up Vian. I don't know. Usually doesn't, but oh, there we are. There we are. Ooh. Ooh. Getting a little ugly. Let's see what we got coming in. Today is Friday, the 17th of December, 2021. Crazy weather in December. It just happened a couple of times. My goodness. This has been the last hour. Wait a minute. No, this is what's coming. Sorry. This is from 7 to 9. And it is 7:30 something. My goodness. Can you please stop biting my toes? Thank you. Well, hopefully it don't get too bad. In the almost 8 years I've lived here, we've not had any serious damage. We are not that close. They got that wrong. There is no way. Let's see. What happened? I don't know why it's showing us way over there. Maybe Let's see. Maybe it's just because I had it scrolled in there so much, or zoomed in so much. But we're always about where that I-40 sign is. But we're just 40 minutes from the Arkansas state line and Fort Smith right there. Fort Smith is right on the line. That's it. We're hunkering down today, I guess. Or this morning, anyway. Anywhere else is getting crazy? Oh, well, up in Illinois, I guess. Heading towards Missouri. Kentucky. This is Kentucky right here. Don't look like they're gonna be getting it. It's probably gonna dissipate before it gets to them. I don't know though. I'm not a weatherman. I hope everybody is safe out there dealing with this. Ooh, Mexico. Mexico getting something. New Mexico and Texas might be getting a little something too. I don't know. But we definitely are. Look at that. Mercy. Growing up, I've always heard how we live in Tornado Alley. And there's Tornado Alley. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna get off here and go do something productive. Stay safe. Thanks for watching.